Primary 2 Computing Studies Chapter 4 Learning to switch on and switch off a computer. Starting a computer. Step by step starting a computer. First, you have to turn on the main power switch. Next, you have to switch on the UPS. Then you have to switch on the CPU button. Last, you have to switch on the monitor. Now, your computer will start. So, you can do your work on a computer. Booting a computer. After we switch on the computer, you can see this kind of screen. That means it takes the time to start computer. This time period we are calling startup or booting. So this one is the booting screen. That means in this time period, computer make it ready to use. Logging into computer. Login screen. After computer booting, you can see this kind of screen. On the screen, you can see you have to enter username and password. So, this screen we call login screen. If you want to use the computer, you have to put correct username and password. Username. Username is any name created to use the computer. Think now you and your mother both are using same computer. So at that time your mother can use one username to do her work and you can use another username to do your work in a computer. Password is a secret key used along with the username. That means you learn that if your mother and you both are working same computer, mother can make one username and you can use your own username. At that time, your mother have to create password with her username and you have to use your own password with your username. If your mother put her username and your password, they are not matching. So, she can't work in a computer. So, if you want to log into the computer, you have to put correct username and password to log into the computer. Desktop. After you put correct username and password, you can get this kind of screen in your computer. We call it desktop. And the background image of the desktop is called the wallpaper. In this picture, you can see the dark blue color wallpaper with the Microsoft logo, and same time there are another two things that the computer desktop have. They are icons and taskbar. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons, and we can divide these icons into the two parts. They are files and folders. Files. The drawing, pictures, letters or poems that we save in the document, we save as a file. Folder. Folder help us to keep all the related files together. So, if you want to put pictures in the computer, so you can keep that pictures in one folder. Then it's very organized manner. When you are working on computer, again if you want to find the picture, you can quickly find that because they all are in the related file. Window. To open a window, we have to double click on relevant icon. And same time we can open many windows. If you want to close the window, you have to select close button in top right corner. Taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The taskbar has following parts: start button, search box, frequently used and open programs, today's date and current time. Start button is the left corner of the taskbar. When you click it, you can see the list of programs or apps in the computer. And this menu we call the start menu. Search box. It's in the next to the start button. If you want to find anything quickly, you have to type the name of that one in the search box. Then you can quickly find the things you want. Step by step, shutting down a computer. First, click the start button on the taskbar. Then click the power option in the start menu. When you click the start menu, the power option came. When you click the power option, you can see three things: sleep, shut down and restart. From there, you have to click shut down. After you click the shutdown option, the computer was shutting down. Then you can switch off the monitor. Then you can switch off the UPS. At last, you have to turn off the main power switch. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the lesson.